Now we take an inside look at what it feels like to dunk. The spectacle, the sensation, the exhilaration that knows no boundaries.
What really get me psyched up is a dunk. That, to me, that get me psyched up, get me going. The thing that excites me the most is when a coach call a timeout and chew his forward out because I just dunked on his head.
But the mailman's not alone in delivering punishing jabs.
When Charles wants to, he can do whatever he wants to out there. There's very few guys can take over a game in the league, and he's probably one of them.
Charles looks like he's just determined to take over this game. Here's Dominique. Oh!
It's a good feeling. It's a strong, powerful feeling. You can dunk on a big guy, and you know he's going at your shot hard.
Dominique.
I think in my neighborhood, it was a physical thing. I think only the strong survive.
McDaniel with a facial and goes. All right, Ewing.
I try to dunk it as hard as possible, so the next time I go to dunk it, the person who's checking me or anybody else, they'll think first before they'll try to block it.
They are the explosive dunkers of the NBA, and they generate contagious excitement. Out!
They've dropped off now.
Out! 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 Yeah!
Stolen, McKee. Oh! 2-on-1. Harper to the hands. He drives. Wham! With the right hand.
O'Neal runs the floor. Takes it all the way.
Today, the dunking range can be an earth-shattering experience.